Aloha, my name is Karlel Ewalani Crowley, and I'm excited to share with you my top 6 essentials for fun in the sun, in the sun, in the sun during summer. Summer means fun in the sun, but it also means challenges with heat, sun, and bugs. So I've picked my favorite 6 summer essentials that are going to keep you comfortable and protected all summer long. All right, let's dive in. First up is SuperMint. And for those of you that just renewed your customer annual membership, you're going to love it because SuperMint is completely free. That's right, you're going to love it. And it is taking number 1 on my summer essentials list. This is fresh, it's invigorating. It has a combination of our dōTERRA peppermint and spearmint all in one. It gets you cool and it has an uplifting aroma. It's perfect for the summer days. I just take 1 drop right to the back of my neck, instant cool down. Also, I put a drop in just my glass ice water and I blow on it and I have an instant AC. I live part of the year in Hawaii and I live part of the year in the mainland, and so I need this all the time. It is fun. Number 2 is our tea tree. It's our on the go for your skin. Anything skin protection, skin care all day long outdoors. Tea tree is a fantastic essential oil for helping soothe your minor cuts, scrapes, or insect bites, and it supports a healthy skin barrier. You can even add a drop to your sunscreen for a little extra skin loving support. Number 3, eucalyptus for those hot, sticky summer days. Eucalyptus has an invigorating cooling effect, helping to open airways or freshen the air around you. It's also a natural way to help repel insects, so perfect for camping or backyard barbecues. 4th on my list is our On Guard. It's busy. You get with traveling and socializing. On Guard helps support your immune system and provides a natural protection from germs. The On Guard spray is super handy for sanitizing your hands while you're on the go. And one of my favorites, frankincense. When in doubt, frank it out. Absolutely a must-to go-to for summer. It's the king of oils. It's my favorite oil for renewing and calming after being in the sun. I like to scuba dive all over the world, and when I am done, literally, I put it on my skin. It's incredible. It's incredible for inflammation. It's wonderful for healthy skin, for that glow. Any appearance of redness or irritation or puffiness, it calms and creates balance in your skin. It's also wonderful for unwinding after those long summer busy days outdoors. And last but not least, I want to highlight our dōTERRA sunscreen stick. This natural sunscreen is reef safe and super convenient to carry. It's perfect for reapplying during the day without any greasy residue, and it protects your skin with botanical ingredients. All right, 3 cool summer DIYs using our dōTERRA essential oils and products. Number 1, our refreshing summer mist. Get a 4-ounce spray bottle, combine 1 cup of distilled water, 10 drops of SuperMint, 5 drops of eucalyptus, and 1 teaspoon of witch hazel, which is optional. Shake well and mist yourself on your kids for hot days of cooling, refreshing bursts. Next is our natural after sun soothing balm. In a small little container, mix 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 5 drops of our tea tree oil, 3 drops of our SuperMint, and apply gently on sun-exposed skin to soothe and refresh after a day in the sun. And last but not least is our calming frankincense roll-on. In a 10 milliliter roller bottle, fill with fractionated coconut oil and add 10 drops of frankincense. Roll onto your wrists, neck, or behind your ears for a soothing, grounding aroma that helps you relax after an active day in the sun. And I also like to add 10 drops of lavender. You will always hear me say frankincense and lavender together at the end of the day. Looking for more DIYs for summer? Comment playbook and we'll send you the access link. Don't forget to check out the rest of our Summer Essentials series of quick classes on our channel. You'll absolutely love them. All right, and for me, I say ahui ho, or for many of you, bye for now.